Good afternoon, class 7. Today I am going to tell you function in MS Excel. In MS Excel, by the help of function, we can also do the arithmetical operation such as sum. We can also find the average. We can also find the maximum number, and we can also find the minimum number and so on. So there is following function I have written here. One is sum, another is average, another is max, another is mean, another is count. Okay, this is the functions available in MS Excel, and by the help of this function you can do the operation in the table. I have already made a table. Okay, just short table for the understanding purpose. This is English, this is math, this is total, and this is average. And I have given some numbers. So, how we add these two numbers? You better know that what is the address of this cell. The address of this cell is what? A1. A1. A is column name and 1 is row name. So address of this cell is A1. And what is the address of this cell? B1. Address of this cell is what? B1. But we are not adding this. We are adding the numerical value. No. You better know that on the numerical value we can perform the arithmetical operation, not the text value. So what is the address of this? A2, and what is the address of this? B2. So for the finding the total of a given numerical number, we can first of all find the cell address. Okay, and whatever formula we are writing, we write in the what? In the formula bar. This is the formula bar, and you better know that the formula is start from the equal to sign. What? Equal to sign. Okay, and for the sum we have some function. We have some function. So write here equal to sum. Equal to sum, then open bracket. Okay, then what is the initial address? A2. So here write what? A2. Okay, then colon, and what is the final cell address? So I am using only two columns. So final cell address is what? What? B2. If there is C2 also, if there is D2 also, okay, so you write initial cell address colon final cell address. That means you should write the range of the cell. Range of the cell. Here I am using only two columns. That's why I am using what? A2 colon B2. Okay, and press what? Enter button. Press enter button. As you press enter button, no, your answer will appear on your screen. That means in this cell. What is 6 4 10 7 5 12 130. Okay. How we copy the formula? Not necessary to write more than one time. Just to copy the formula. Just to keep the mouse here, mouse pointer. If plus symbol will appear on your screen, just you drag that. Okay, so what is the output? 6 4 10 9, here also 13, here 16, or here. Okay, by this way we can find the sum. How we find the average? So just to click the mouse here, and instead of sum you just write what? Average. A-V-E-R-A-G-E. Average. Okay, average A2 colon B2. Whatever average is here, just appear on your screen. How we find the maximum number? Instead of average, you just write what? Max. You just write what? Max. Similarly, how we find the minimum? Instead of maximum, you just write what? You just write mean. Okay? I will show these things in practical also. Don't worry about it. Okay? So by this way, we can do the arithmetical operation by the help of functions. Okay? By the help of function in MS Excel. Thank you.